Alright, so we're going to have a good day today. Just been working on doing the YouTube stuff, getting everything ready, getting these things uploaded, edited, whatnot. You know, I got to crank out this content. So this morning, as every morning, working in the office. And then I'm getting ready to go outside. I got to do a few things on the GL650 build, just work on cleaning some parts and whatnot. And then we're going to go switch out bikes, go take the GS back to the warehouse, grab the KLR650, because I want to do a fork oil change because this weekend I have a ride in Arkansas. So me and two buddies, we're going to meet up in, I think, Ozark National Forest somewhere, and we're going to do a cool adventure ride. So it's going to be a camp out, get there and camp out on Friday night, and then we're going to ride hopefully well over 100 miles on like trails and gravel and stuff like that on Saturday, and we're going to camp that night and then come back on Sunday. So it's going to be a great weekend, and I want to try out a different weight fork oil. I want to stiffen it up a little bit, so switch to a 15 weight in there and see how that goes. So anyway, gonna get on with the day. You guys hungry? Alright, one of the first things we're doing today, continuing work on cleaning up the harness for this GL650. Got to knock the grime off of it first. I do plan to modify this thing a little bit, but before we modify it and start taking it apart, I do want to clean it. Gunk foam on a rag. Get after it. No big secrets, just some decent stuff. I use this on about everything. My sandwiches, I use it in my hair. Wash my armpits. Brush my teeth. See? I'm just kidding. But yeah, toothbrush to agitate usually does a really good trick. Alright, here's a little tech tip for you guys. So we have these bar and turn signals already in the bars, okay? So that means the wiring is already ran internally, and I have it coming out of the front. But it gets complicated because the stock controls, well, most controls are pinned, so you can like drill a hole in the bar and keep them in one spot. So they're designed to kind of lock in so they don't spin. Well, that means you have to drill a hole in the bar. So I've already got a teeny tiny little pilot hole, but I want to go ahead and put another hole to fit the actual pin for the control in. Now the issue, right there, the pin, the issue is that you don't want to go forcing the drill bit all the way through, because remember, you have the wiring passing directly through that path. So let's make a stopper for the drill bit and do it safely. Alright, so we have our bit here. This is a 3/16, so that's going to be enough to cover the diameter of that pin. But of course we don't want to go sinking in here all the way. So what I'm going to do is take some fuel line. See, that fits over really nice. We will cut it to length to just fit comfortably over the top here and leave just enough room to get through the bar. I'm sure you can use other stuff too, but this is just right next to me. Slide that on there like that. We have a drill stop. Perfect. Right there. Gotta go run some errands. Switch bikes out. Well, I'm an idiot and I parked right in the middle. finally done mowing. And I brought the KLR back because the other week I took a spill on it. We'll insert maybe some clips now. Well, I just went swimming. Oh man. Fully laid down in that water. I'm amazed the phone's still working. Holy crap. That water is moving. I was just trying to push it across. I tried to ride across and it washed out in the algae, but oh my god. Try to push it and the bike was just going ah. Adventure. But yeah, took a spill on it in a creek, and the bars are a little bit like tweaked, so basically just got to loosen the forks, straighten it out, tighten it back up, and it is ready to go. I also want to change the fork oil in it for a ride starting, what's today, Wednesday, starting Friday for me. So yeah, gonna go ahead and get this thing up in a stand, straighten it out, and then see if I have enough fork oil. I hope I do. Got my safety sandals on. You know, only the best in here. Anyway, draining the fluid, and it's time to get this out. Every time. Fork oil, I swear. I don't know why this stuff is like attracted to me. It's like I'm milking a cow. I can tell that made a difference. Going from 5 weight to 15, just bouncing it. They still, you know, they're still gonna work some air pockets out, but big improvement. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day on this one. Simple day in the shop. Got a couple projects, running some errands, getting things done, a little bit all over the place. But anyway, got some stuff done, ready for tomorrow, and getting even more ready for this weekend, which is gonna be a cool ride, which I will definitely be making a video of to try to capture what we did. So it'll be a good time. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Check out some other stuff I have on the channel. And if you want to go further than that, head to my website. I got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, sticker packs available for purchase. And any order like that, greatly appreciated. So anyway, check me out on social media, just Brickhouse Builds across the board. And look for me updating stuff every day behind the scenes, see what I'm working on. And yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.